Hey everyone, if you're an Apple user with an Apple Card and you rely on Venmo for quick payments, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of adding your Apple Card to Venmo, so you can make seamless transactions with friends and family. Whether you're splitting dinner bills or sending cash, this integration will save you time and effort. First off, make sure your Apple Card is already set up in the Wallet app on your iPhone. If it's not, open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and follow the prompts to add your Apple Card. This is crucial because Venmo often links through Apple Pay for security. Once that's done, open the Venmo app on your device. Look for the menu icon, it's usually in the top corner, and tap on Settings. This is where you'll manage your account details. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find Payment Methods. Tap on that, and then select Add a bank or card. Venmo will give you options. Choose Add a card to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter your Apple Card details. If it's integrated with Apple Pay, you might see an option to select it directly. Otherwise, input the card number, expiration date, CVV, and your billing zip code. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any verification issues. After entering the info, Venmo will verify your card. This could involve a quick test transaction or an instant check. Once it's approved, your Apple Card will appear in your payment methods list. A quick tip: if you run into problems, ensure your Venmo app is updated to the latest version, and confirm that your Apple Card is active in your wallet. Also, keep an eye on Venmo's supported cards list, as policies can change. And there you have it, your Apple Card is now linked to Venmo. This makes managing your finances even easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.